I'm going to be showing you how to load and unload a shotgun. The gun I'm using is the Maverick. Here I have the Mossberg Maverick 88. 12 gauge pump action shotgun. Before handling any weapon, you have to make sure the safety is on, and the safety button is right here. You just click it right here, and red means danger. And when it's ready, you always want to point away, safe, away from anything and everything, and you want to check to see if the chamber is empty. So you gotta cock it back and see right here, empty chamber. Now you can get ready for the next step and load your bullets. The shotgun uses 12 gauge shells, but the ones I'm using are dummy rounds. Perfect for practice. You can see it's hollow, perfectly safe. And I'm going to be loading it right here. So you want to start off like this, and you put your thumb all the way in like that. And see, once it's like that, that's how you know it's ready. The shotgun I have uses 5 shells. And this is how you load it, one by one, like this. So these are perfectly safe, so that way, you know, you can practice at home. Yep, so it's loaded. To put in the shells, so if you were to accidentally put it in wrong, there's no way for you to do it wrong because it doesn't go in. There's only one way. It goes in, and it goes in like this, and you just pull it back like that, and there it goes. And then flip it over. Once you're all loaded, once you loaded all your rounds, now it's time. Once you loaded all your shells, now it's time to chamber your first rounds. And to do that, you have to pump the action, which is right here. And you firmly pull down. As you can see, it's getting the shell ready to shoot. And then you pull the action back up, and now it's ready and chambered. I'm going to show you again how to do it. Okay, you're going to grab this. You're going to firmly pull it all the way back down. I'm going to show you once again. You're going to grab your action. You're going to pull it down till it's ready, and then you're going to pull it back up. And now it's ready to shoot. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in normal speed. I'm going to show you how it is normal speed at the range. Nice, quick, and smooth. Now I'm going to show you how to unload. And you have to find the disconnector, which is at the bottom of the gun, which is right here. You're going to press and hold it down, and you're going to do it till it's empty and drained. Now you know how to load and unload a shotgun. Just keep practicing and practicing until you get the hang of it.